Hello everyone, welcome to part 189 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel. So we will continue working on the currency converter that we have started in last few videos, and this time we are going to work on the front end. In admin panel we have already completed all the functionality. We have already added the currencies that we want to show at the front end, and see, we have done the add, edit, delete, status update. Okay, so everything is done at admin level. Now we are going to work on the front end, and we want to display these currencies in the detail page of the product. Okay, so we want to display all the currencies of the product price, these currencies that we have added from the admin panel. Okay, so we want to display the product price. Right now it's coming in the Indian currency, that is the default currency for our website. And now these are the secondary currencies, and these we want to display under this main currency. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, we want to update the detail function. So it's the detail function that we are using for this detail page. So we are going to open products controller at the front level. Okay, so products controller that is located at the front folder, because we are now working on the front end. So we will open the detail function. So here we want to get all the currencies from the currencies table. Okay, so we have the currencies table as well. So we want to get all the currencies from the currencies table. I will open the database ecom6, and this is our currencies table. So we want to get all the currencies from this table. So here we are going to add our query. Okay, so here we are going to add get currencies. Yeah, get currencies. Okay, so currency is the model. We want to get all the currency where status is 1. So all the currencies that are active, only the active currency we want to get, we will get and will convert it to array. So we are now using array from a long time. So get currencies we want to return to the detail page. Here like this we can return. So now we can open the detail blade file, and here we want to display the currencies. So first of all, we want to check whether we have all the currencies here that we are returning to the detail page. And in detail page we are going to use the for each loop to display all the currencies. So here I am going to check once that here the currencies are coming. So we need to include the currency model, we have not included. So we need to include the currency model at the top, f currency, and now we will check. Okay, so all the currencies are coming here. You can see complete currency details are coming here. Okay, so you can also use the select query, and you can just get the specific details like currency code and currency exchange rate is enough. Okay, so you can use, if you want, you can use the select query and get the data that you require. Okay, so here let's use the select query. We only require here currency code and exchange rate. Okay, that is enough for us. Currency code and exchange rate. Okay, so only these two things I think are enough. So here you can see now we have only two things. Okay, so let's continue. So now I am going to disable this one, and now we will add the for each loop. Somewhere we want to add, we are going to add under first of all let's display it. We will add under this thing rupees. I am going to search where is the rupees. Before below that we are going to, yeah, here it is. So we are going to add here main currencies. Okay, so here I will make one span, and in span I'm going to use the for each loop. and I will use that $get currencies as $currency. Okay, so I will end for each this one here, and here we are going to $currency and currency code. Okay, so first of all we are going to display the currency code. Okay, so first of all get the currency code, and we are going to make sure like see these are currencies are coming. Now we need to here also display the price. Okay, so that thing we are required to do some kind of calculation here. We need to calculate from the exchange rate. Okay, so here we need to do one thing. I am going to use the PHP here, echo. I am going to pick dollar product details. First of all, main price of the product I am going to pick that, and I am going to divide this one with the exchange rate. Okay, so that we can get that exact currency. Okay, exact amount. Okay, exchanged amount of that. Okay, in that currency. So here I will use the exchange rate. Okay, see exchange rate we are getting, exchange rate also we are getting in this currency array. Okay, so we will simply get this exchange rate. So let's see now. Yeah, also include one break so that it will come one by one. So now undefined price. Okay, it's not the price, it's product price. Okay, now check once. Now see, we are having these converted currencies, but it is coming like this. So we need to round off up to 2 decimal. Okay, so we can round off this one up to 2 decimal here. Now check again. Now it seems to be fine. See now, see this rupees 450 is in the Indian currency, and we have converted this 450 rupees into USD, EUR, AUD, CAD, yen. Okay, so rupees 450 in USD means it's 6.67. So for the users who are coming from the USA or any other country, like some other countries, because USD is the global currency, so USD required in every website, that it's fine if you are going to display. Okay, so its conversion is $6.67. So it's the same thing, like rupees 450 is equal to USD 6.67 is equal to euro 5.68 is equal to Australian dollar 9.09. So every currency is equal to this much amount. Okay, so now we are displaying all these currencies. And one thing more, just also add one break here. I am not so good in CSS. Okay, I think that you can do CSS of your own. Okay, now we need to do one more thing, like if we will update the size, like the if I have selected the medium size, now its price updated. You have seen that for small price it's 450, and for medium it's 550. So I need to update these currencies in Ajax also, and this is the challenging task. Okay, now see, simply displaying the currency of the main price is easy, but now we need to work on Ajax, and we want to update all these currencies according to the update price that is updating from the Ajax itself. Okay, now it's not the main price, it's the attribute price. 540 rupees is the attribute price, and we have to calculate the attribute price for all the in all the currencies and display here. Okay, and for that, first of all I will show you that how to debug the code, how to find out that what we are using earlier, because after a long time we don't know that what we have done. Okay, so now see, if you will select this one, see we are calling this URL get product price URL, we are calling in Ajax. So we can simply check out in web.php file that what we are using, get product price. Okay, so get product price, to find the we want to find its function. So the function name is getProductPrice. It's in product controller. So simply go in that function where we need to calculate the currency prices. So in this function we are required to create the for each loop, because we want to have these prices that we want to return in Ajax. Okay, so here we are going to do, first of all, we will get all active currencies once again here. Okay, so I'm going to like get uh, currencies in the same way like we have get earlier from the currency model, where status. Now once again we can use the same query, okay, that we have created. We can use the same query, only selected data to get. Okay, that's fine. That's we have already done there in detail function. Now we are doing again. Okay, so now we will use the for each loop inside this get product price function, so that we can pass that pass all the currency price. Okay, and for that we can use for each. See, here we have this array. Okay, so in this array we are going to fill up with one more element as $currency, but first of all we are going to mention like this. Okay, so like we have done here, the same thing we are going to do there as well. See, we are going to first print this one and this one. Okay, so simple enough. What we are going to do here, we will take one more array element here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will take one element like currency. We will initialize empty, and after that I'm going to pick this one once again, and now dot equal to, first of all I will left some space, and after that now I am going to now mention that currency code like we are doing here also we are doing currency code. After that this calculation. Okay, currency code, and now one more. Now we need to have this one, this calculation that we are doing there as well. So here we need to pass the price. Okay, price we will get from get discount attribute price here, and here we need to pass, we will check once that what we are getting in this function. Here we are getting final price, so final price is fine for us. Okay, so we will mention here the final price. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. Now let's see. Now we are passing the currency element along with this one, that we can update in our jQuery. Okay, so we will open front script here, and the so one thing we need to find out where we are using this one, this get product price. Okay, I'm going to find get product price, this here it is. Okay, so here now we are also getting the currency, so we will simply add it at the last response currency. Okay, so same we are going to add here at the last. Okay, so now we can check. I think it must work fine, so let's see. I'm going to refresh here. Okay, so we are getting the currency and now passing. So after changing it like small to medium, see now it is updating, but it is showing like this. So we need to modify something, and also we need to disable one of the main currencies we need to disable. And so for that we will do one more thing. here we will give this span class. Okay, we will give one class here, we can give here something main currency prices. Okay, so we are going to disable this class here. Okay, once the user select the size attribute, then we are going to disable this class. Okay, so here we can disable this class. Okay, so now we are going to check. See here, now I am going to select the medium. Here the currency is updating, but it's also the font is updating, but you can see the currency is updating for all. Okay, you can see, but some kind of see spacing or something is required. We will give some spacing here as well. So for that we will like showing medium. Okay, USD. So after USD there is no space, so we can do like this one by one. We can now there is spacing, but it's in bold, so we need to check once. So only the issue is this one. So we can do one thing here. We can add its style here somewhere span. We can set this style like style equal to font weight. We can set uh, normal, what we call font weight, I think normal. Okay, so also font size we can set like here we can set 14 pixel. Okay, so this one we can do like this, and this one we can also and add last after this one. Yeah, so we can close this pen as well. Okay, so let's try now, and we click made. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, so we can reduce it. So still it is more I think we require to add the important here. Important. Okay, now we will try again. Still it is not changing, so we can add the important here as well. Okay, so now check here once. Okay, still we will inspect it. Font size, it is due to h4 tag. Okay, so we'll check once what we can do. Sorry, it's the silly mistake. I'm using font weight at both. Okay, so don't do such kind of thing at your end. See, font weight and again font weight. Okay, what this silly thing, font size it is. Okay, so don't do such kind of thing at your end. Now we are going to check. Okay, now it seems to be better. Okay, we will use the 13 pixel and maybe 14 pixel is fine now. Okay, so now we will check once. Yeah, now it seems to be fine. Okay, okay, so now you can see the prices are changing here. Okay, whenever we will select medium, okay, and large, its price is going to be changed. Okay, you can see small, it's the small price. Like if you will convert rupees 450 into USD, it will be 6. If you will convert rupees to euro, INR to euro, then it will be 5.11. So like this we can able to update all the prices. If we will select medium size, then again prices will update to the updated currencies, and these currencies you can manage from the admin panel. You can add, remove your own currencies. Okay, so I hope this kind of currency converter will help you. Okay, so at times the client requirement is this much, that client want to display this currency somewhere, so you can display anywhere in the website when you want. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.